Let me ask you a question. If a girl does not want to buy you the first Mercedes-Benz 300 in summer, does not love you, the answer is yes. Because a woman who truly loves you, how could she bear to let you watch other men driving a Mercedes-Benz 300 to negotiate, while you can only take the subway and be late and scolded by the boss? Even if she has no money now, even if she works during the day, Dot drives Didi at night and deliver food on weekends, even using her dowry. She will also save a penny for you. She does not think it is not worth it. She just thinks, the boy I love, I will pet. Suggest you quickly forward it to your significant other. Believe that after watching this video, will definitely go all out. Let you drive a Mercedes-Benz A300, since you will eventually a noble Mercedes-Benz owner. So in this video, test drive this in advance. Mercedes-Benz E300. Let me say something that will make you tremble. E300L fashion model. Guide price, $439,800. The total cost is over $500,000. But do not be discouraged. Now there are huge discounts at the terminal. Bare cars in some areas. It is down to about $370,000. Options for Mercedes-Benz are the real hidden bosses. Rear seat heating, individually controlled air conditioning, passenger entertainment screen, Burmester audio system, head-up display. After assembling them, it will cost tens of thousands of yuan. But since it is your significant other who is paying, then do not hesitate. Just get the full configuration. Look at the exterior, the classic version, with a shield-shaped air intake grille and chrome trim. The Trident logo on the hood. The Aura is directly full, with a 59.2 meters long car, 3.94 meters wheelbase, parked on the roadside. Neighbors passing by, we'll take a second look. What really makes this car amazing is when you open the door. The sense of luxury that hits you in the face. The yacht-like cockpit. Two 12.3-inch large screens. It is fully wrapped in leather and wood veneer. When the ambient light is turned on, the exquisite feeling of the whole car comes. Sitting in the driver's seat. Headrest with electric adjustment. Lumbar support multiple adjustable. Seat heating. Ventilation and massage. The rear row. The seat cushion is lengthened, and the backrest angle is electrically adjustable with the same small headrest as Maybach. It is really not an exaggeration to say it is a small S class. Under the hood is the 2.0-liter engine, codenamed M254, with 48 volts light mix, 258 horses, 400 Newton meters. 0 to 100 in 6.6 seconds. The involvement of the 48-volt motor makes the start-stop and start almost imperceptible. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts quietly. The chassis crosses the bumps and pits cleanly. The whole car drives smoothly. You do not feel like it is competing with you. It just wants to keep your cuffs clean and your hair not messed up and arrive at your destination gracefully. Do you think that is all? The optional voice of Berlin stereo set, 21 speakers. Play an old classic song. Just close your eyes and enjoy the most wonderful moment in life with 64 color ambient lights. And move with the music, driving out at night. The atmosphere is full. A 500,000 car gives you a million-level audio and visual experience. This contrast is what makes it most addictive. And Mercedes-Benz's brand premium and retention rate are always good in luxury cars. After 3 years, the average depreciation is about 100,000. Compared to new power at the same price, it is a financial artifact. But after all the praise, it is time to cool down. The biggest drawback of this car is that it focuses all its energy on smoothness. But the price is, it lacks passion. The data looks good, but in reality, it has a pushback feeling, but not enough. Some owners measured the 0 to 100 acceleration that takes over 7 seconds. The BMW 530 of the same price has faster throttle response. Downshift is more aggressive, while the E300, no matter if you switch to sports mode or a paddle shift, it always looks like it is very stable. If you want elegant cruising, it won't disappoint you. But if you want a thrilling acceleration, then it may not be able to give you. So the E300 is a particularly split car. The rear row gives you the enjoyment of first-class cabin, but the power is so dull that it does not excite you. It is smooth as an electric car. When you want to overtake, you step on the accelerator, but you always feel it is half a beat slow. Some people are discouraged, while others do not mind. But if you think about it, there is no perfect car in the world. True love never that is, not because it has no shortcomings, but because you know it is not powerful enough, and occasional gear shifting shocks. But every time you park the car, you can't help but look back at the logo. Well, this car that makes men the ultimate business car you love and hate, you have fully understood it, whether it is worth the price. You should have a clear idea. Finally, I ask you, if your girlfriend earned 500,000 yuan and buys you this E300, would you choose the more business-like, more prestigious version with a standing emblem, or the younger, or the more youthful and sporty large emblem version? Leave your answer in the comments section. See you next time.